Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. And as you can see that the chart looks pretty simple, because you can see that the market is in downtrend. There is a resistance here on the upside, then we have a support here on the downside. And if you have watched my other videos on Euro USD, then you can recognize these lines pretty well. Because see, one thing is very much certain, that yes, this red line is a, or this trend line is a strong resistance for the market, and on the other hand, this is a strong support for the market. Okay, but there are some complications on the chart, or there are certain factors that has got huge impact on the chart of Euro USD that also we need to understand. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand the overall picture, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay, so first of all, this market is in downtrend, no doubt. I'm in the 4 hours time frame, and as you can see, whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above. So which clearly signifies that this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. Clear? Therefore, you please draw this line in on your charting platform, because if market goes up from here in today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, doesn't matter. Whenever market will be going up from here, then definitely this line will act as a resistance for the market, and you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at the resistance. Clear? On the other hand, apart from this level, we also have a strong support on the downside, 1710. And this support level is important for the market, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. See, this is the weekly chart of Euro USD. And you can see that previously also this level was acting as a support for the market, because whenever market came down to this particular level, this level provided required support to the market. Therefore, we can still hope that buyers are sitting at this level, and in case there is a fall in the market also, still these buyers will try to take the price upward. Okay, so 1710 is a valid support for the market. So these are the two important levels on the chart of Euro USD. So if we just follow the simple rules of the market, then it is just sell at resistance, buy at support market. But as I said earlier, there are some complications in the market. There are certain other factors also that we must understand. So for that, we need to go to the chart of DXY. This is the chart of DXY here, and as you can see that dollar is in uptrend. As we all know, US dollar is in uptrend. Yes, there was some selling pressure on the US dollar because of CPI report. CPI report, but we cannot deny the fact that this market, or this US dollar chart, is an uptrend. And generally I do not prefer to draw this Fibonacci lines and all, but yes, I had to draw today. And right now you can see that market is taking support at the Fibonacci level and trying to bounce from here. And just keep in mind, if dollar starts going up from here, then definitely Euro USD will be going down. And if dollar starts going down, then definitely Euro USD will be going up. And right now, as you can see that dollar is trying to take support here, and as the market is an uptrend, dollar is an uptrend, then there is a good possibility that it will be going up. If it fails also, then again it has a support in the form of this trend line. So in case this particular Fibonacci level fails to provide support, then definitely it will bounce from this trend line, because overall US dollar is an uptrend. And if US dollar starts going up, sorry, if dollar starts going up, then Euro USD will start going down. Therefore, they are extremely correlated, so you must be careful, and if possible, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well. So what I'm trying to say is that there is a good possibility that Euro USD will be going down, because US dollar is an uptrend. Okay, and if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you go to Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 24% retail traders have taken short position and 75% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 24% are thinking that market will be going down. Okay, and as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. 90%, and that's a fact, my dear friends. 90% retail traders lose money. So to be honest, I always prefer to take trades against the retail traders. Okay, and as you can see, 75% are hoping that market will be going down. Then there is a good possibility that market will be, sorry, uh what I'm saying, 75% are thinking that market will be going up because they have taken long position. So there is a possibility that market will be going down. Euro USD will be going down. And I have also shown on the chart of DXY also, because if DXY starts going up from here, then definitely Euro USD will be start going down. Okay. And one more thing, that I have recently launched a pro trader membership here. You can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, and I'll be sharing all the best trading opportunities on the Forex market. And there will be a special Telegram group also for important updates. And after the membership, please do not forget to send a message over WhatsApp to me so that I can share the analysis videos with you. The videos will be like this only. I'll be sharing all the important details, updates, and the best positions on the Forex market. Anyways, what should be our strategy for Euro USD right now? So the first strategy, looking at the chart here, is simple: short the market at this particular resistance. But the chances of Euro USD hitting this resistance is very less, very less. So if you get the chance in future, then you can short the market. Just keep in mind, draw this line and wait for the market. Okay. Apart from that, if if it starts coming down, Euro USD starts falling, again you'll get a buying opportunity at 1.1710. If you see market trying to bounce, because see, this level belongs to the weekly chart. Okay, therefore there is a good possibility that market will be giving a tough fight, okay, to bounce from here, Euro USD. So if it bounces from here, or if you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, price rejection from below, you can initiate a buy position here. Do not take any heavy position, just take a small position, because still we do not have any clear picture. And do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and follow proper risk management. Clear? So in case market comes down, then only you can initiate a small buy position here. Okay, otherwise no. And right now market is trading here. This is your no trading zone. Do not trade in the middle, because still we do not have any clear picture. And just keep in mind, if dollar starts going up, definitely Euro USD will fall. And if market fails to hold this support, and crosses this level, then that's a completely different chapter. Okay, I'll not discuss today what you need to do, because there are certain complications also that I do not want to discuss today. Okay, so as of now, just try to just understand that, okay, dollar has got extremely direct impact on Euro USD chart. Therefore, if it starts coming down and try to reverse from here, then take a small position, and if possible, try to avoid. Personally speaking, I will not be trading on Euro USD, because this chart is not for me. My theory is simple: I do not trade on a chart that I do not understand. Do you think that this kind of complications deserve your hard-earned money? I do not think so. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again. I'll be discussing the strategy with you tomorrow again. Bye bye.